welcome back to our channel. I'm Heather.
And I'm Sarah.
And today is day 3 of the Harry Potter Deluxe Advent Calendar unboxing.
So exciting.
We're doing one every day leading up to Christmas. And we've already done days 1 and 2, so we hope you'll check out that video if you haven't already. And let's get started.
All right.
And also, please give us a like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Because so far, this has been really cool. And we're only on day 3.
Alright, so this is day 3. And it has a Slytherin snake on it. It almost looks like it's in a snow globe.
Yeah, it does.
Do you want to open it?
Yep, you can open it.
Okay. Let's see. Hey, I think I may have gotten a pair of socks too. I don't know. Maybe it's gloves. Maybe it's gloves. Let's see. Oh, those are cool. They are gloves. So it is a pair of gloves, and it has the Hogwarts crest on it.
And we'll give you a close-up too.
Yeah.
Let's try them on and see what they look like.
Okay. I mean, there's yellow in it, so it matches my sweater. I think that means they're mine.
I think. Well, I claimed the socks yesterday, so you can have the gloves.
Oh, those look so cool. And they're very warm. You can kind of see the crest there. Looks really cool. I love these. They're awesome. Want to try them on?
Sure.
Those would be really nice to wear on, winter nights in Hogsmeade.
Yes.
Going to the Three Broomsticks for
Pretty
butterbeer.
Yep, they fit me too. These are so nice.
Those are nice. So to recap so far, we have this Gringotts ornament. We have a Harry Potter sweater socks.
Which I claimed because they have my initial on them.
And then now we have Hogwarts crest gloves. So these are really good so far. We're so excited to see what we get tomorrow, and we hope that you will join us and kind of follow along with all these awesome little gifts that we're getting.
Thank you so much for stopping by, and we will see you tomorrow for another unboxing.
Bye.